During this lesson you will be learning a brief conversation between the person at the checking-in desk and Mr. and Mrs. Jones who are checking in.
Welcome. Before we start the conversation we should know this word. Tickets. Ghost rate. Emergency. Perishable. Flammable material. Untended. Luggage. Flammable material. Possession. No problem. Passports. Traveling.
Welcome. Please, can I see your tickets? Yes, here you are. Is it just you two traveling, or is there anyone else? No. It's just the two of us. Do you both have your passports with you? Here they are. I will be going to ask some questions. Just answer with a simple yes or a no. Okay, no problem. Has anyone you don't know asked you to take anything on the plane for them? No. Have you have sole possession of all your luggage since you packed? Yes. Have you at any time left your luggage unattended while being in the airport? No. Do you have any weapons or firearms in your possession? No. Have you any flammable material in your luggage? No. Do you have any perishable food items in your bags or suitcases? No. That's good. Can you put your luggage here, please? Okay. What seat would you like, an aisle seat or a window? Can I have 2 seats near the emergency exit? Wait, I will check for you. Yes, that's okay. I am placing you 2 in 21A and 21B. The gate number is A22. You can start boarding the plane in 30 minutes and the plane will take off in 1 hour. Can you tell me how to get to gate A22? Yes, go straight ahead and turn left at the end, turn right, and A22 is there. Follow the signs for your gate number on the bottom of ticket. Thank you for all your help.
Thank you for your watching. For the new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like.